An early picture of Mrs. Bairds' house built in the early 1900s in Dallas, Texas. Today, in modern times, almost 100 years later, it's still an amazing house and was showing some wear and tear around the house. A side view of the house showing beautiful high chimneys, constructed amazingly. The rear of the house that had had an extension added on a second story in some years gone by. After the initial inspection, problem areas were identified for repair. The archway at the side of the house had dropped due to foundation movement. SMR surgically removed the arch and the damaged brickwork, one brick at a time. With the brickwork removed, drilled foundation piers were installed and the corner lifted back into vertical position. Cavity wall tie corrosion was noted on a lot of the existing wall ties. With everything levelled, SMR began to rebuild the corner and the arch. A wooden form was made for the archway to support the stone during construction. A close-up of the stonework being rebuilt with matching mortar. SMR replaced the old coping stones with new ones. The top section of masonry was replaced on the second story around the windows. With scaffolding and debris removed, SMR revealed the finished and rebuilt arch. A view from the rear of the new arch, ready to be washed with brick cleaning solution. The beautiful entryway had the centre stone of the arch dropping. Scaffolding was erected and the stone and brick was removed. A close-up view of the removed brick and stone. This picture from the rear of the arch highlights the movement. SMR used an old method of gently raising the stone upwards using a tourniquet made of wire, twisting it in an upward direction. At the rear now you can see a close-up of the picture with the arch repaired back into place. SMR takes a lot of time to prepare the mortar to match as close as possible with existing. And with a few more touch-ups, this is how it turned out. To the right of the entryway, a stone arch was in disrepair also. We removed the stone arch and repointed the cracked areas. New wall ties and special anchors to support the arch were installed. SMR repaired the arch and repointed the stone to match the existing stonework. The lintel above the stained glass had failed, leaving lots of weight on the window. SMR boarded up the windows to protect the leaded stained glass and installed a new, stronger lintel. The old cast stones were laid back into place. This picture shows a panoramic view of the work going on across the front elevation. The mortar was a perfect match to the original colour that the house was built with. A window had shifted due to foundation movement at the rear of the building and was pushing the frame tightly shut. SMR cut out the problem area using a specialised method and replaced the removed brickwork, allowing the window to function again. The garage lintel had been installed with 2 sections of steel lintel instead of one continuous piece. SMR removed and replaced the damaged steel lintel